and welcome to the StoreMagic how-to video series. Here at StoreMagic, we're producing some training videos for our customers and partners to show how to do certain things in the setup and configuration and general operations of our software products. Those software products being SvSAN, our virtual SAN solution, SvKMS, our key management server for encryption workflows, and ArcVault, our video management surveillance solution. My name is Steve Bettison. I'm a technical pre-sales engineer at StoreMagic. We're going to be looking at SvKMS, and particularly today's video is about how to upgrade your SvKMS cluster. So I have a 3-node cluster in operation, and we are going to go through the steps of upgrading that. Now the current version that I'm on at the moment is 2.51, and we're going to upgrade to 2.6. So we've got a 3-node cluster. We're going to go through the Subscription Activator to do this upgrade, and then at the end we'll confirm the cluster successfully upgraded. Let's move out of the slides and onto the lab. So I've logged in. Let's just see if this is probably okay. So looking at the top, I've connected to the IP address of the first node of the cluster on port 8443. This gets us to the StoreMagic SvKMS Activator. You can see I'm on the screen here. I have 3 healthy nodes. So it's a 3-node cluster, SvKMS 01, 02 and 03. Status is ready, APIs are good, and you can see there we've got the version 2.51. We're going to upgrade to 2.6. Before we do that, just a quick review on the release notes. So you can connect to the online documentation, user guides and manuals, storemagic.com/documentation. And here we have some details about the SvKMS release notes. So we're looking to upgrade to SvKMS 2.6. And you can see 2.5 was released in November 2020. And 2.6 is now, was May 2021. So this is where you can come and see what the feature improvements have been done here. Some stuff on HSM extensions, cloud dashboards, Commvault certification in this latest version. So let's go back to the Subscription Activator. You can see here under the actions, I can actually do an upgrade. So I'm going to upgrade the first node. Click on upgrade, and it's a simple question of dropping the upgrade file into this box. So let me just show you where that is. I just move okay, so I've already downloaded my upgrade SvKMS 251 to 260, and I can literally just grab this file, copy it into here, and it's going to take a little bit of time to upload that file. So I'll be right back shortly once this file has uploaded. Okay, that looks like it's completed. It took a few minutes to do. So we are ready, patch pending a reboot to apply. So reboot and upgrade as it indicates there. And what will happen, there'll be an election process, and either SvKMS 02 or 03 will become the master in this. So let's do a reboot and upgrade. Warning, you're going to reboot during the reboot. Okay, press reboot. So we'll wait till that finishes. It's still saying that the cluster, so I've logged into node 1, that's probably disappeared as well. So let's log into node 2 and just see what's happening. 2. and it's gone in. So if we have a look at administration and cluster, probably still coming back up after having that applied. So we'll just wait a few seconds. Okay, after a period of time, that node has come back. As you can see there now, we have version 260 for 10.10.1.28.91. We go and have a look at that. Over on this side, this should update now, and the cluster should come back all healthy. It's just taking a little while to update. So yeah, that took probably 10-15 minutes to do that one. So it did take a little while there. There's the activator. It's showing that it's 260. Let's sign in again and repeat the steps. The second and third node. So we'll click on upgrade. Again, we've got to drag that file in. And that's going to take a little bit of time to do that one. So we'll pause the video here. Okay, the second node is done now. So let's reboot and upgrade this node. So we'll click this one here. Reboot, get that warning message. Unlike the first one, this screen will stay up because we lost it because we did the first node. So of course we would have lost connection to it. We will see a difference. So internal server error. We saw that for all three when I did the first node because we were connected to the first node's activator. So again, this is going to take a few minutes to do the upgrade. So we'll just sit tight and wait for that to happen. So back in a little bit. Okay, this is coming back now. This second node should refresh, saying service not found. But you can see there the version of node 2 is back up. While we're doing that, let's just go ahead because this takes some time. We'll upload this file and get this node, the upgrade file for node 3 started. Again, this is going to take some time. Pause the video and see you in a bit. Okay, that file is successfully uploaded on node 3, so let's complete, reboot and upgrade. Get that warning message, click reboot. And you can see there, node 2, while that file was uploading, has a healthy status. API services are all okay, and the version is 2.6. So now we are just on that final node. See that it's rebooting, it's going to apply that patch. So this is, again, going to take a few minutes to do this. The status has changed there, healthy nodes 2 from 3, expecting that. But our cluster's up and running. If I come back in here, it may prompt me now to log back in. Our cluster has been up the whole time during this upgrade process, which is the whole point. So just logging in there. I've obviously put the wrong password in. There we go. All our keys there, all intact, and the dashboard is active. So throughout this whole process, the KMS cluster has been up and running. And all we have left to do now is for node 3 to complete, and we've then successfully upgraded the KMS cluster from version 2.1 to 2.60. So just pause the video and we'll wait for that to complete. And while we're waiting for that to come back up, just to remind you as well that this is all covered in the online documentation at storemagic.com/customer-manuals. In there, select SvKMS, and then under one of the links on the left-hand side, SvKMS upgrade, this runs through the process as well and tells you how to do it. So you can have a good read through that. And there we can see the API services come up, but it's saying service unreachable. Should change to green and OK. A few seconds or so. And there we go. So that's the 3 nodes cluster completely upgraded from version 2.51 to 2.60. This has all been done through the first node 10.10.128.91 on port number 8443, the StorMagic SvKMS Activator. And there we are, that's it. It's as simple as that. It does take time to do each of the nodes. Do them one at a time, and you end up with this cluster, this healthy state. If we go to the first node, and we come across the administration here, cluster now is showing as well healthy and healthy state. As I say, the cluster has stayed up the entire time that we've upgraded each of the nodes to version 2.6. Thank you for watching. Look forward to seeing you on future videos. Thank you. Bye for now.